Well, hello there, guys. But in the pool gaming here, and welcome to something new that I want to try out. Try not to laugh series. I don't know why. I just really wanted to try one of these because I see other people do them, and they just seem to laugh really easily, even though what they're laughing at is not funny at all. I'm not an easy person to laugh, especially by myself. So, we'll just try and find out what my sense of humor limit is. And if this is a thing that we actually do, you guys can send me clips to react to and definitely not laugh at because they're not funny. Without further ado, let's just hop right into the video. Relatable.
Imagine being this guy's neighbor.
Wasn't funny. Oh my god. No. No. Boys, come in clutch, please. Yes! Yes! The boys coming in clutch. The boys always be coming in clutch, though.
This is good because I could barely read, so I like looking at pictures better, you know?
Hey,
What did
so
it say? Your crush sends you booty pics instead of the long paragraph.
This is good because I could barely read, so I like looking at pictures better, you know?
Man, that shit pissed me off, man.
That caught me off.
We're finna go get you.
There is no meme. Now, take off your clothes.
Two bangs.
I love that meme so much. The Obama one was so funny. Where he goes, "There is no meme. Take off your clothes." That was awesome. I've seen it before.
Thank you for calling, gang. Whoa, hey.
What's wrong with you? 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 What's wrong with you?
I
What's
don't
wrong
know
with
what's
you?
wrong
What's
with
wrong
me.
with you?
I don't
Fucking
know.
shit! What's
Is there anything better than pussy? Yes, a really good book.
Lord, forgive me, but after scratching my balls, I think I got a sniff.
You know what?
Don't say that. Moving on.
Tommy Lee Jones, Ruth, Liv.
Or, I do it. Whoosh. I sent my phone flying, bro. Oh my god. Oh my, oh my god. For God's sake. I'm saying. Oh.
Okay, okay. Lay back. Lay back.
Holy shit.
Lay back.
Are you okay?
No.
That wasn't a good idea. Holy hell.
This
70 miles per hour. How long would it take you to drive 70 miles?
70, nigga?
Oh, why? Why 70? Explain to the camera why
Because
70.
1 times 70, 70.
Well, who the fuck said anything about one? Where did one come from? You're going 70 miles per hour.
Oh, 1 hour.
Oh,
Wait, what?
miles per hour. You're going 70 miles per hour. How long would it take you to drive 70 miles?
We're going 70 miles per hour. Going 70 miles per hour. How long would it take you to drive 70? Hour, right?
70, nigga?
Oh, why? Why 70? Explain to the camera why
Because
70.
1 times 70, 70.
Well, who the fuck said anything about one? Where did one come from? You're going 70 miles per hour.
Oh, 1 hour.
Oh!
Oops.
What you doing out here with all this ass? Double cheeked up on a Thursday afternoon, hella ass. The sun is.
What can I say? That was too relatable for me.
Whoa! Yankee with brim!
Oh my god, so many. Wait. There it is. There it is. There it is, boys. We did it. We did it. We made it on the list. Attack helicopter gang. Wait, what did the other one say? Born a male domestic. These aren't even genders. These are just preferences. These are just excuses not to be fat.
What's it? What's wrong?
Let me tell you something.
What? Oh, mijo. I always knew you were gay.
Why can't I build? Why can't I build? Fuck! What just happened, man? What the fuck? I can't fucking compete! I just can't fucking compete! Can you get the fuck out of my face?
That's facts. I never join people's lives because of that. People will be live streaming and I'll be like, no, I'm good. Because I'm afraid I'll be. Well, of course I won't be the only one. Other people actually have friends, let's be honest. But if they see me there, they'll be like, oh, hey, Caleb's here. I'll be like, hey, you're talking to me? Oh. I'll just be, no way. He was just sitting there. He was on the toilet. Bro. It'd be so much funnier if he was just sitting on the floor. He's just sitting on the floor, like, with his phone out. Someone threw like a wet paper towel at him too. Oh my god. At school.
Pray to my God every day.
Every day.
On my knees every day.
You
You see me when I face my God, I don't play.
I don't play.
I'm not feeling that. I'm not feeling that shooting. I'm not feeling that shit, bro. I'm not feeling that. I don't like it.
Come on. Take it like a man. I mean, oh my god. People.
Just want to talk to him.
What is wrong with people? Why? Oh my god, my eyes. Why do people feel the need to create that stuff? I'll stop.
Why do you have a shotgun?
I just want to talk to him.
Dad, this is ridiculous.
I just want to talk to him. I just want to talk to him. I just want to talk to him. I just want to shoot him. I just want to talk to him.
You can't shoot him.
Ask me when I try to find the guy with who ate the bat. Not coronavirus.
Done with my shift, Mr. Krabs. And let me just say, there will come a day when I will make something of my life, and I will never have to set foot in this grease trap again!
Speaking of 1,000 plays, guys, can we hit 1,000 likes? Tell your friends. Tell everybody. That's my goal for this video. This is gonna be the greatest video on YouTube that YouTube has ever seen. It's going to blow. It's gonna make Despacito piss his pants. It got like, what, only a couple billion views, so what? We could beat that. If we all unite during this quarantine and make this happen, what else are you gonna do? Just sit there and clean your room or something? Got better to do, just come and like this video, at least view it, and tell your friends. Your friends would love to do it. I know they would. I know who you are. You think I'm not talking to you? I am most certainly am talking to you. I know you have lots of friends, so you better tell your friends about this. Get them all to like it. Get everybody, as many people as possible. We are going to change everything. This will be the key to uniting all of us during the coronavirus. I believe in you guys. You guys are my pride, my joy. And together we can accomplish anything that we put our hearts to. If we all stand together, and we all work to achieve our dreams, nothing can get in our way. Except this video might be demonetized from all of the songs that I've... But it doesn't matter. We do this for ourselves. We don't do this for money. We don't do this for fame. We do this for friendship, love, and loyalty. We gotta unite during these hard times. We can't see each other because the government's changing the batteries on the birds. So we gotta take matters into our own hands. We gotta find new ways, new creative ways to not go crazy during these hard times. Also, I do encourage you, respect the rules of, well, dude, stay inside. Don't be a dick. But if we all unite, nothing will get in our way, guys. Just trust me. Believe me. I promise you, if you send this to 3 of your friends, they'll love it, and they'll send it to 3 more of their friends, and we'll all be united during these tough times.
You could let it go, and I wouldn't catch you hung up on somebody that you used to know. But you didn't have to cut me off.
Oh my god, guys. Well, obviously this happened to someone you know, not too long ago. And they just cut away at it. It's like little needles. Yes, sir.
It's alright.
What about this?
No, that is no.
Mom warned me about kids like you.
That's right, guys. That's what I thought. Do not have premarital sex.
I'm not gonna have sex.
Mom warned me about kids like you.
I hate you.
No. Oh, yeah. That's not awful. Cool. No. Don't do it, brother. No. Oh!
Bro, what did that even say?
Get out! Baby, I'm worked up now. He's worked up.
The most stress ever.
Yes, that's good. I like it.
Scared me so bad. Oh my god.
I have got to get my dick sucked.
Go get him, Squidward. He's right. He's right, but also. Okay, sorry guys.
합주.
Wait, what? Why are they speaking different languages?
합주.
Run.
That's wrong.
What? How old? What? Huh? What? Huh?
My dude just went full on monkey. He went.
You should rest.
That was weird.
Are you seriously watching porn by yourself?
Nah, I'm with my fucking AP Calc class.
You'll notice I was not here over the weekend. I think this is the part that we really need to take personal responsibility for. Saturday, I had a little low-grade fever.
He went. Nope. You know what he's about to do next? He's about to get that detergent and just. You know what I'm saying? Eat a Tide Pod while he's at it.
Oh! Ew! Dude! What the fuck?
Pics on Facebook thinking you're bad, mate. I lined every last one of your birds up and bomb them one by one. Fucking bear rat mush! I'm gonna get my Aprilla out and do burnouts on your front lawn, and then I'm gonna chuck mud bombs at your nan's windows, you silly bastards. Think I'm a fucking ding mush, eh? I'll grab your bird in headlock and I'll shave a fucking bald. You think you don't read my comments on Facebook? I'll take you out of that bonnet and carry on driving, you little dings. What's we're on that Facebook subject?
You little dings. Play that back.
I'll take you out of that bonnet and carry on driving, you little dings.
Carry on driving, you little dings. God damn.
On that Facebook subject, this is a message for Phil Trout. You want to take piss out my curtains, mate? Have you seen State on Your Bird's beef curtains, mate? You can swing from flap to flap, mate, and they fucking...
Hello.
Hi.
What's your name?
Malachi.
How old are you, Malachi?
And
where are you from? Who are you with? Are you a bit nervous? All right, Malachi. Good luck.
It's showtime!
That's so bad.
School!
My man was so hyped. Oh my god, can you imagine getting in a fight with someone? You look at their bio. They're just rest in peace somebody. You're like, you're done. You're losing this argument right now.
Let me tell you something. You look good today. You hear me? You looking real good today. I'm glad
Thank
you
you.
got up this morning.
Yeah, you looking good yourself.
I know you're going through it, but I love that you keep pushing. So that's all I need you to do. Keep pushing forward. You hear me?
Yeah, I got you. Thank you. I love you too, man.
Purpose.
God bless you.
World, okay? Never forget that. Don't let these haters get you down. Do you know who you is?
I know who I is.
You ain't gonna get tired of seeing me.
Yes,
You
sir.
ain't gonna get tired of seeing me.
No, I won't.
Tired of seeing you, man.
I was not looking, I promise.
Just grab my ears while you fuck my butt! Yup.
If you dig it.
These memes, the impressions.
Just grab my ears while you fuck my butt!
Just grab my ears while you fuck my butt.
Yup.
If you dig a 6-foot hole, how deep is that hole?
It's about like 20 feet.
What number comes
The man, the myth, the legend.
between 2 and 4? Beetlejuice.
25.
Wait a minute,
Hold
Beetlejuice.
it.
I want you to think about
Think
it.
about it. Don't blurt out your answer. What
25.
number comes between 2 and 4?
2, 4, 5, 5.
Come on, Beetlejuice.
36.
Spell red.
Red. L-S-T-E-R.
What color is a carrot?
Carrot? I think it's a carrot.
It's a carrot. Bro, you should ask what color is an orange. You would have been like apple. I love Beetlejuice. Alright, forget this.
Period! 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 Period!
Not looking forward to that. Oh, for God's sake. Bro, why have I seen like 50 of these? What? Bruh. The references.
Oh, I lost. Dude, just throw it back so we play again.
Bro, what? That wasn't even the meme. The meme was literally the end. Throw it back so we could play again. He threw it back, and I like that.
Well, okay, when I was 9, I got molested by a guy with Down syndrome.
Don't laugh, Brandon.
I'm not laughing. Why'd you laugh?
It's just.
That's fucking rude.
It's such a curveball.
I know. Can I just say something? I'm gonna say it again, and if you smile, I'm gonna leave.
Okay. But
No, I'm
hold
being
on.
real. If you smile,
All
I'm gonna
right.
fucking leave
Hold
because-
on.
He has to prepare. I got molested by a guy with Down. He went. You guys like, really? You're laughing?
That really fucking broke me.
No. All right. Hold on.
All right, so
Give me a
I
second.
swear to fucking God, dude.
I know.
Give me I will leave,
second.
Chin Chin. When I was... You ready? Don't cover your mouth, though, either. I'm vulnerable about
I know,
it, and I'm
man.
expressing
I'm trying to
a
be
truth
cool.
to you.
Hey, dude.
So when I was 9, I was brutally molested by... Okay.
He said brutally.
You can't say brutal.
So when I was 9 years old, every day for a summer...
You can't throw shit in there. Every day, you couldn't avoid them for God's
I couldn't avoid him. Well, alright guys, that's gonna wrap it up for another video on... Camera was... Sorry guys, not very good at this, but... Well, that was the video. I hope you enjoyed. If you liked it, subscribe. Excuse me. Subscribe, drop a like on the video, click the bell icon, tell your friends. Remember what I said earlier. It still stays.